this video, we're going to go through Excel's working screen, starting with the top left and going all the way to the bottom right. The first thing you'll notice is these tabs. As you select each tab, the ribbon changes. The ribbon has common tasks grouped together, such as in the Insert tab, we have tables, illustrations, add-ins, charts, tours, sparklines, filters, links, text, and symbols. So as you click on each tab, different groups pop up as well as different commands. Moving below the ribbon is the name box and the formula bar. These are exclusive to Microsoft Excel. The name box tells you the active cell and also helps you navigate to different cells within the worksheet, such as if I typed D30 and hit enter, it would take me to cell D30. Now, if I wanted to go back up to A1, I would just type A1, hit enter, and move on. The formula bar has the edit line, which is where you'll see if a formula is in a cell or if a cell contains text, numbers, or a Boolean value. Moving on, below the formula bar are columns. Each column starts with a letter, and once we get to letter Z, you can see that they're double-lettered columns beginning with AA. Below the column headings are row headings, which are numbers. And you can see here, the intersection of a column and a row gives you a cell. Your active cell can always be found by the intersection of a column and a row. It's in green, as well as up here in the name box. Moving down, you've got your sheet tab navigators here when you have more than one sheet or when the sheets go behind your horizontal scroll bar. To add a sheet, just hit the plus button. To the far right is the horizontal scroll bar, as well as the vertical scroll bar, and the various views with Microsoft Excel. When Excel opens up, the default view is normal, which we're in right now. The next view is page layout, if you prefer this view. And the third view is page break preview, which allows you to see information that will or will not be printed. You've got your zoom controls following the views. And thank you so much for watching this video on the Excel working screen.